Congratulations on welcoming a Malinois puppy into your life. You've chosen a bright, energetic, and loyal companion. Malinois are known for their intelligence and eagerness to learn, which makes them incredibly trainable. This guide will cover the first things to teach your new family member, establishing a strong foundation for a lifetime of happiness together. Remember, training a puppy takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged if things don't click immediately. The key is to stay patient, consistent, and focus on positive reinforcement. Your puppy is eager to please you and learn the ropes of their new home. Let's dive into the essential training tips to get you started. We'll cover everything from potty training to basic commands and socialization, setting your Malinois puppy up for success. Potty training is often the first hurdle new puppy parents face. The good news is, Malinois are smart and eager to please, making the process easier with a consistent routine and positive reinforcement. Establish a regular potty schedule. Take your puppy outside frequently, every couple of hours, especially after waking up, playing, and eating. Choose a designated potty spot and take them there each time. Observe your puppy for signs of needing to go, such as sniffing the ground, circling, or squatting. If you notice these signs, whisk them outside immediately to their designated spot. When your puppy successfully goes potty outside, praise them enthusiastically. Offer a small treat as a reward. Positive reinforcement helps your puppy associate going potty outside with good things. Remember, accidents happen. If your puppy has an accident inside, don't punish them. Simply clean it up thoroughly and stick to your routine. Consistency is key in potty training. Teaching your Malinois puppy basic commands like sit, stay, come, and leave. It is crucial for their safety and your peace of mind. Start with short training sessions in a distraction-free environment. Use positive reinforcement techniques. When teaching sit, hold a treat in front of your puppy's nose and slowly move it upwards, encouraging them to sit down. As soon as their rear touches the ground, say sit and reward them with the treat and praise. Repeat the process with other commands, using clear hand signals and verbal cues. Keep training sessions short and fun, gradually increasing the duration and complexity as your puppy progresses. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Your puppy is learning a new language, so be understanding and celebrate their successes. With time and practice, your Malinois will master these commands and be a well-mannered companion. Socialization is crucial for developing a well-rounded and confident Malinois. Expose your puppy to a variety of sights, sounds, people, and experiences during their critical socialization period up to 16 weeks old. Take your puppy on walks to different environments. Let them observe other dogs from a safe distance, gradually introducing them to well-behaved dogs for short, supervised playdates. Introduce your puppy to different people of all ages, sizes, and appearances. Encourage gentle petting and positive interactions, rewarding your puppy for calm behavior. Expose your puppy to various sounds, such as traffic, the vacuum cleaner, and the doorbell. Start with brief exposures at a low volume, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as they become more comfortable. Remember, socialization should be a positive and enjoyable experience for your puppy. Avoid overwhelming them and always prioritize their safety and comfort. A Malinois are herding dogs with a natural instinct to use their mouths. Teaching bite inhibition is essential to prevent playful nipping from escalating into more serious biting behavior. During playtime, if your puppy bites too hard, yelp loudly and stop playing immediately. This teaches them that biting too hard ends the fun. Redirect their biting to appropriate chew toys. Offer them a toy as soon as they start nipping and praise them enthusiastically for chewing on the toy instead. Use positive reinforcement to reward gentle behavior. If your puppy licks you or mouths your hand softly, praise them and offer a treat. This teaches them that gentle interaction is more rewarding than biting. Remember, consistency is key. Every member of your family should react consistently to biting behavior, reinforcing the message that biting too hard is unacceptable.
You've been a good friend.
Crate training can be an invaluable tool for Malinois owners. A crate provides a safe and secure space for your puppy, aiding in housebreaking, reducing anxiety, and preventing destructive behavior. Introduce the crate gradually and positively. Make it inviting by placing soft bedding and a favorite toy inside. Feed your puppy their meals in the crate, associating it with positive experiences. Never use the crate as punishment. It should be a happy and safe space for your puppy, not a place they associate with negative feelings. Start with short periods of confinement, gradually increasing the duration as your puppy becomes more comfortable. Ensure your puppy has been exercised and has relieved themselves before crating them. Remember, a crate should never be used for extended periods. It's a training tool and a temporary safe space, not a substitute for proper exercise, socialization, and interaction with their family. A healthy diet and plenty of playtime are crucial for your Malinois puppy's physical and mental development. Choose a high-quality puppy food that meets their nutritional needs. Provide your puppy with at least 30 minutes of exercise each day. This can include walks, playtime in the yard, or interactive games that challenge their mind and body. Engage in activities that stimulate your Malinois' natural instincts. Games like fetch, frisbee, and hide-and-seek tap into their herding and retrieving drives, providing mental and physical enrichment. Remember, playtime isn't just about physical exercise, it's also a bonding experience for you and your puppy. Make it fun and engaging, reinforcing your relationship and building trust. Training a Malinois puppy is an ongoing process that requires patience, consistency, and above all, love. Your puppy wants to please you, so focus on positive reinforcement and celebrate their successes. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. Enrolling in a puppy training class or consulting with a certified dog trainer can provide valuable guidance and support. Remember, training is not just about teaching commands. It's about building a strong and loving bond with your Malinois. Through patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, you'll lay the foundation for a lifetime of companionship with your furry best friend. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey with your new Malinois puppy. By focusing on these essential training tips, you're setting your puppy up for success and building a strong foundation for a lifetime of happiness together. Remember, training takes time and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. With patience, consistency, and a whole lot of love, you and your Malinois will share countless adventures and create a bond that will last a lifetime.